We're almost there! Wait! Something's guarding the entrance! The castle's sweetest secret was also its greatest challenge. No child had ever seen the secret door until today. Don't let that door open! What is that? Catch him before he disappears! A baby dragon stole the key! The greatest adventure had just begun. Let's dance! Copy their moves! Only those who could make the castle laugh were allowed inside. We're flying! Don't lose sight of the dragon! Every step in the candy forest had its own magical trick.
The time has come to enter the sacred chamber. Inside, the secret of the forest awaits, hidden among ancient magic.
He's getting away! Watch out! This hallway changes every second! The castle tested every brave heart with magical surprises. Look at that! Be careful, Leo. Whoa, it's glowing! A map. A map of the forest. The map reveals a hidden danger. Darkness approaches. You must find the lost guardian. Keep going, don't look back. Wait, what's that? Scout sees something. Over here, through these vines. It's a secret path. Look, it's glowing. Let's go. The friends follow the hidden path to discover a massive tree. This must be it. Look, the crystal. Their greatest adventure has just begun. I saw his tail. Follow the golden sparkles.
Only teamwork could defeat the castle's magical maze.
The lost magic. At last, we have found the one who took it. You don't have to be alone. I can be your friend. What is happening? Incredible! The compass is glowing wildly. Look at the footprints. Let's go. We're ready.
Welcome, friends. I am the Forest Guardian. The source of our magic has been stolen.
We'll get it back. Count on us. Yeah, we did it. We really did it! True heroes are remembered not for their power, but for their hearts. Look at that! It's really open. Let's go. Yes, to the mountains.
Beyond these peaks lies a new secret world, waiting for them to discover its wonders.
The ancient symbols are activating. Look at the projection. It's the prophecy.
The greatest challenge is still ahead. This is just the beginning.
Wow. What is this place? An ancient power connected these worlds, but a missing crystal keeps them apart. Wow. Look at that. It's real. The Sky Kingdom.
We found it. This must be the Forgotten World.
Their journey has changed both kingdoms forever. They did it! Wow! Incredible! There he is!
But this magical world was full of tricky surprises.
The Guardian tests your courage. I'm scared. Not alone, you're not. We can do this together. For unity is the strongest.
Through courage and friendship, we restored the crystal. As the Sky Kingdom returns, a new adventure awaits. Believe in the impossible.
You have shown true kindness. Now, behold the magic's return. Thank you, heroes. Your compassion saved. The crystal lives. It creates a symbol of a new path beyond the mountains. Awesome! Your adventure is far from over. The Forest Guardian gifts them the compass. It points to where magic waits. Be careful! A dangerous challenge awaits.
Atop the mysterious mountains, they found a hidden Sky Kingdom, where giant crystal towers shone.
Together, we can do this.
Unity is the strongest magic of all.
The forest is in great danger. A dark force has stolen the source of its magic. Will you help restore it? We will. We have to. Ready to go. I saw his tail. Follow the golden sparkles. Only teamwork could defeat the castle's magical maze. The forest is in great danger. A dark force has stolen the source of its magic. We will help you, Guardian. We'll get it back. Our next great mission begins now.
And so, with courage in their hearts, friendship guiding their steps, and a belief in the impossible, Maya, Leo,